Hi, good morning. It's Paul here. It is April 11th, 2019, and let's see what's going on in the greater Las Vegas real estate market. What do we have here? Okay, looks like we got quite a few, like 15 already this morning. And we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo, 117.5 over in Juniper Hills. Let's take a look at that. Oh, nice and clean. Should be some common area around here. See how nice it is. Nice clean complex though. There we go. Nice pool. Cloudy day when these pictures were taken. On a gated entry. That's good. Alright. And where are we here on Juniper Hills? Okay, Vegas Valley and Nellis looks like. That's good. Alrighty. Let's go to the highest priced one down here. $899. 3-car garage. Nice landscaping. Interesting house. Doesn't look like there's a pool or spa. Yeah, there is a pool or spa. I wonder why they didn't have any pictures of it. That's odd. Interesting. Seems like they want to show that off. Okay. And it is Cactus and Southern Highlands. Okay. Right over there. Okay, then yesterday, St. George Street, Unit G, $75,000, 1-story townhome, 1-bedroom, 1-bath. Okay. Looks like it's seen better days. Yep, needs to be cleaned up a bit. Yeah, just a little refurbishing. Looks like the majority of the stuff is done. Let's make sure it's not a repo. Nope, no repo. Foreclosure, I should say. Repos with cars. Okay, so 75,000. Wonder where St. George is. Looks like the internet's kind of dragging today. Okay, right up there. Sunrise Manor, North Las Vegas. Okay. So yesterday. Highest priced one yesterday, 5.580. 8,100 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 4 baths, 4-car garage, pool, and spa. Interesting. Oh yeah. Nice house. A lot of rock. Pavers. Gated front door. Very nice. That sink. That's pretty cool. These refrigerators. My. Love that lighting. This is a really nice house. For that price it should be, right? How's it? Oh, that's really nice. Must be an attorney or something. Open up the door and then you got all this stuff. All these piles of paper. All this crap. Oh, looks like Las Vegas, okay. Beautiful views. Nice. Bridge tie on the hill. And there's the main area of Las Vegas. Theater room. Wow. We might have looked at this one yesterday. There just wasn't a lot of pictures. Yeah, I think so, because I remember this. Okay. Alright, so it's 5.58 million. Alright, let's go back and see what we got under contract. Wow. 689 properties under contract. What's going on with the sold properties here? Today is the 11th. Okay, so these closed yesterday. Lowest priced little single family home. Wow, 23,000. Wonder what's up with that one. Where is it? Interesting. 23,000. Looks like it's a modified mobile home. Modular home has been converted. 23,000. I bet it's supposed to be 230,000. Yeah. No power appliances. Yeah, 229. It was mispriced. Okay. I'll get that fixed a little bit later. Alright, it's on the market 7 days. Okay, over at Spring Valley. Alright. Nice little property. 410, 410, 410. 410, 410. Oops, go back. Let's see. 1.25 million. Big house. I think we looked at this one the other day. Okay. We'll run Innsbruck, which is on Hacienda. Oh, okay, we're in Spring Valley again. That's Spanish Trails, okay. Alright, well that's that. And let's do what we were looking at before about homes with pools. And see what's gone into escrow in the last 5 days. $125 properties with pools in the last 5 days got into contract. So quick CMA here. Average price $449,000 for a 2,300 square foot house. Okay. All right. Well, that's that's what the market's doing for now. 5 days, 125. So we'll just have to remember that, gone into contract. And how many is sold in the past 5 days? The same criteria. 28, no, okay. 57. 4.6 million is the highest priced. 181,000 is the lowest priced. Okay, well that's good for now, so we will talk to you later. Have a good day.